Alright guys, you're welcome to the part 2 of this video. This is the voice of El David Network. In the first section, I taught you how to set up your OKX, set up your P2P trading, also input your account details in order to buy from other merchants, and also convert your Naira to crypto, then your crypto to Naira. In this part of the video, I'll be showing you on how to make a purchase, like using your USDT to buy a particular token on this platform. All right, so when you come to the trade section, this is where you get we have the spot trade, we have the future trade, we have the on-chain trade, but in this video I'll be covering the spot trade. All right, so this spot trade gives you the liberty to buy any specific token that has been listed on the market. For example, we have the Ethereum, we have the Bitcoin, we have the Solana, we have the Doge, Hype, ZEC, XRP, and other tokens that are listed here. But for the sake of this video, I'll be buying Pi because this is one of the projects I'll be holding for the bull run. Just go ahead and click on Pi. Just select Pi, then you change this limit to market order, then you just click on maximum. All right, so we are buying a, let's see the amount of USDT we have about 12.88. so all we have to do is just to move this from the funding, because when you buy from P2P, it will be sent into your funding wallet. So from the funding wallet, you move to the trading, so you can see funding to trading. So we just go ahead and confirm. So after we've confirmed, we can just click this input, just draw it to the maximum. That's 12.88 USDT that we have. You just go ahead and click on buy, and what it does is that it buys immediately and it appears on your asset section. So when you move to the Pi, you move to your asset rather, you get to see the equivalent of the USDT in Pi. That's about 158, right? You can see it's 153.86 Pi. So this is what you will be holding. All right, so also I'll be teaching you on how to send your Pi. Maybe you want to transfer to another wallet, maybe you bought in an exchange and you like to keep it, you like to keep it in either a wallet, or you want to send it out to someone else. So this is how you do that. All right, so there are many ways of making withdrawal on OKX. All right, so you can either withdraw, you can just click on withdraw. For example, I'm withdrawing this Pi to for example, if you are sending to other exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, you are sending to Bybit, like someone's exchange, so you can use the exchanges. You can click on the exchange option. But if you are sending to a wallet like a hosted wallet like the OKX wallet, you are sending to Pi wallet directly. So a decentralized wallet, you can choose on hosted wallets, that's on chain. Then if you are sending to a user, someone that is using the same exchange you are using, like I'm using OKX, and I want to send to someone who is also using OKX, I can choose to send through their UID. So you can see the option is that either you send to their email or you send to their UID. All right, or you can send to their sub account. So I'm using UID since the person is also using OKX. I'll just go ahead and copy his UID that he just sent to me. Then I will just go straight and paste the UID here and just click on next. All right, click on next, then I'll just click on maximum. So I'm sending the entire token, and I will just click on send. All right, so you say caution, new address, always be extra careful when withdrawing to a new address. Note, withdrawal can be undone. Ensure you are sending to the correct, so just ensure you verify what you are actually sending. All right, so you just go ahead and click on confirm, and you put in your biometric scan, and you can see that the cash has been sent already. So the status is loading, and once it is fully sent and the user has received, it will be confirmed here as well. All right, so this is just a simple way of sending. You can see you have about 1 minute to cancel. In case you've changed your mind from sending to anybody, you can just cancel within 1 minute. But after 1 minute, that token will not be able to be cancelled anymore. So this is just one of the nice options OKX gave to the users. All right, I believe this is the only exchange that does this, including Binance as well. Yeah, two of them. So once you are sending, they'll give you liberty for 1 minute to really be sure that you are actually sending. So that's just it about this, and subsequently I'll be showing you other video on how to convert your crypto to naira. All right, how you convert your crypto to naira. The first video I teach you how to convert your naira to crypto. The second video I teach you how to buy a token, so you can literally buy any token like this. You just to click on trade. After you have bought the USDT, click on trade, then you just come here and search for the token. If it is listed here, for example, if you want to buy what is it called, bonk. All right, for example, if you want to buy bonk, you just will come here, because this is one of the token we are still going to buy. Just click on it and just go ahead and buy. So it's as simple as that. So if you are new to this channel, please do well to like, share and subscribe. Subsequently, I'll be doing video on how to convert your crypto to naira. Thank you.